guys, Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting. I'm so happy, you guys. My package just came in the mail. You guys, I'm going to be reviewing the Michael Kors Jet Set Brown and Acorn wallet. Now if you guys are a long-term subscriber, you guys know I'm building my Michael Kors collection. I've been one that definitely did not grow up with Michael Kors, so now I'm finally starting to get my collections together. I got a few purses, I got a fanny pack, and now this is my first ever wallet. I'm super excited because I did get the one that matches my handbag. So if you guys haven't seen my Jet Set Michael Kors handbag, I'll leave the link below so you guys can go ahead and watch that one. And now I have the matching wallet. So here it goes right here, Michael Kors on the little zipper. And I love this one because it does have the little opening right here for my driver's license, debit card, credit card, all of that. And I just love that it matches. I've been wanting to get one like this because I do have a really big wallet, and I wanted a small one, so when I go out and I don't feel like carrying like heavy stuff, I could bring this one. Open this. Ooh, let's see what's in here. Oh, I didn't know this was in here. Okay. The little thing. Oh yes, here's a little card, Michael Kors card. Oh, it gives you a little information how to take care of it. And then it has the little, what else is in here? I'll only take all this plastic out. Just give you guys a good look at it. The front, I love the MK on it. The little keychain. The inside does have the name. You guys can see right here. It's pretty spacious for being a card holder slash wallet. You can put change in here, you can put money in here. Then there's a little compartment right here. Then there's the card slot where I will go ahead and open this. Oh yeah, the little Michael Kors card thing. You guys can see how that looks without the paper. Driver's license, a lot of storage. Here's a little card, Jet Set Travel. You guys, retails for $188, you guys, and I got this for 30 bucks on Amazon. I will also leave the link below, you guys, if you guys want to get yourself one. But I'm super excited to take this out with my handbag. I love it. I just really love it, guys. This is so cute. So definitely money well spent. I'll be using this all the time. Check the description box. I will have the link to everything, all the information. It's definitely worth it, you guys. And this would be my go-to wallet when I don't travel with my big one. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you go and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.